On person mo kire say yare fufura ba friend monkeypox hu pa ye eno na kwakwa ese chicken pox but eno no esoso papa etisi hu nkese pa ni bi etisi. Hello guys, welcome to the problem of the day. And we are subscriber to this channel. I want him say every single time just macabre every single time you bring trending issue, trending videos. I was with me here. Now we are aware, now we stay updated as a Ghanaian and I say as a human being in the world. Thank you very much. And that's all we are. Sad news been up here. I was saying to me was sorting and tentem. Now bo home by bo bush your phone by. Not long ago, M said 2019-2020 COVID-19 by ebe kunkuma manfo. According to the health service, no mo said that's what but M say eswati and to the extent that vaccines na mo de war and e boy kakra and then yakopon ase pan say e koso san na e bon pa say dey free ewiase mu ha asundiem na agya ye say de na etie na say oba Ghana ha say ya dey bi wa friend chicken pox et si wo ho a nkiti bi aha eno no very common a say obi anim. And then that's already investigation and I say according to research of some health service and I say health personnel so on person mo kire say ya fufura ba friend monkeypox hu pa ye eno na kwakwa ese chicken pox but eno no esoso papa etisi hu nkese pa ni bi etisi hu bozin and e wo ho ana paito na da no kuro kese wan hwa e bia na de won kwan den akọ according to source of this sickness no sesi ya no ye nim say abaga na ha say ya but who knows. Yes, yare ne take 13 days and sana yeden agi no ho no wa hu say asemi obi onte wasam ye fast na me call hospital no nti wo ha say no watia advice am be ma say ye fast na call check up e wo hospital na call say be wan say yare na quick according to source of this sickness no and as a health personnel for chiremu a Nigeria ni bi e shasi free Nigeria otu kwan free no krom Nigeria African pay say no seriously I was say it me take your health papa in a critical in a serious way. I will say it's me taking in a serious way. After that victim and I said that person they travel from Nigeria, Africa, Echo UK, United Kingdom, And I come and say, I quite infecting man for me and Sabi, I'm a Maya 4. And I just say, my investigation, I check your mom will say, thank you for this kind of disease, no. According to health personnel, and I said a doctor for no, before I say Ubenyas higher, no, a physical body contact. Next, I don't come near Bia, what mean and I take it 13 days until sesebere will be. So better than one this all quiet checkups. And early detection no and so ebeboa so hu ni ntamo a and ebeboa mabon ho ban. Ya den hu pa seriously papa e si hu kese na pai to na da ni kuru e wo ho. Wan hwe ya na de won kwa akọ. Nti mesero so bebon ho ban pa se de bia wo busuafo and like omamwo around you no. Omo nya bit ma ya aware. Make sure so be share sa video ama woni pa bia. Copy link no na share ma mu and I say catch the unwe bi Atvglobal ATV NEWS AND BLOGS omumba no mbe search no mbe hwe bi no mutimi en stay updated no mo hwe mo hu ye COVID-19 aba na mi adom e bi anyaw yare wi aba no make sure say e bi nyaw woni obusuafo munye safe make sure so be subscribe channel no say that every single update be free serve yare wi hu bia no e be bre no so wa ba ho ban na wa hwe hu ye mi da say oje bra na hwe mi next time be start share bi na ya di hu wiase hu komo. Thank you very much.